Hey guys, I wanted a owner's manual hard copy. So I went to a printing press, got all the pages printed. It costed me around 10 rupees for one side, and one side had 2 pages. So I had to pay around 300 rupees for the whole book printing. These guys pinned it up and gave me the booklet. I really wanted a hard copy binding, that way it would stay for a longer run. So I decided to move to a binding press. So basically the book binding will take time because there's a lot of glue involved. In every stage he says he has to dry the book at least for 15 minutes. So he stitched the center part of the book with some threading. Now he placed some hard cardboard in the front and back. After almost 1 hour of curing, now it was time for him to cut the book. He aligned all the pages and cut all the sides. Here is the final look of the book. I really wanted a hard copy manual. In my case, that would probably help my parents to understand the bike much better when I'm not around. And the binding quality which I went for was a hard front and back. And for the printouts, I went to a printing press and got HD printing done. The quality of the print was amazing. The Ola Champion did share a PDF file when my bike got delivered. I'll share the link in the description. So the total cost for this project was around 380 rupees. 300 for the printing, 80 rupees for the binding part. If you like my videos, do drop a like guys. It will make YouTube happy. That's it for this one. Until next time.